little learners, today we are going to start with chapter 6, that is houses. As you all know, you all live in different types of houses. कुछ houses कच्चा house होते हैं, कुछ पक्का house होते हैं, right? And by living in the house, we feel protected. And people live in different kinds of houses. Some live in houses made up of mud, straw, and bamboo. They are not very strong. These are what we call these type of houses, kacha house. And some people live in houses made up of brick, cement, sand, iron, steel. Such houses are stronger. Whatever the type of houses, everyone wants to feel safe and comfortable. देखो घर कैसा भी हो, हमें उसमें कैसा लगना चाहिए, comfortable and safe. Now protection. The wall and roof of the houses protect us from heat, cold and rain. People use doors and gates so that the stranger or thieves cannot enter the house. ठीक है कि कोई स्ट्रेंजर है, कोई थीफ है, वो घर में ना आए. एंड सम डोर्स, विंडोज एंड बालकनीज हैव अ ग्रिल मेड अप ऑफ आयरन टू स्टॉप थीव्स फ्रॉम एंटरिंग द हाउस. Some houses and apartment buildings, they have high walls around them to make them more safe. Right? Now, balconies and staircase of the houses have railings to stop people from falling, and the windows and doors of some houses have wire or plastic string to keep the flies away. जो मक्खी हैं, ठीक है, मच्छर है, वो दूर रहे. नेक्स्ट इज कीपिंग आवर हाउस क्लीन. अ ब्राइट इन द क्लीन हाउस. देखो जिसमें पूरी लाइटनिंग है, इसलिए बोला भी जाता है कि अपने डोर्स को, विंडोज को थोड़ी देर के लिए ओपन भी रखना चाहिए मॉर्निंग में. सो इट इज गुड फॉर द हेल्थ फॉर द पीपल हु लिव इन इट. द इंसेक्ट्स दैट मेक्स अस इल, like dark, warm and dark places, the insects are the mosquitoes and cockroaches. Now, how should a house be? House कैसा होना चाहिए? तो बड़ी बड़ी windows होनी चाहिए जिससे sunlight और fresh air आ सके. It makes the house bright and dry. It helps to keep the insects and germs away. Next, it should be kept clean. The kitchen should be clean. Flies and cockroaches like dirty kitchens and rotting vegetables. Flies carry germs which can get into the body and makes us ill. और वो हमें क्या करता है? बीमार करता है. Right? Garbage must be collected in a covered dustbin. If it is not covered, then flies makes it their houses. Garbage must be cleaned every day. It should not be thrown outside the house. Flies and germs breed in a rotten garbage. Bathroom must be kept clean and dry to keep the insects and germs away. Mosquitoes lay egg in the drains and dirty pools of water. So the drains that carry dirty water from house must be covered. So mosquitoes can spread disease, and one of the disease spread by mosquito is malaria. ठीक है? Things should be kept clean in the proper places in the house. It's difficult to find things if they are just flying around anywhere. भाई कहीं ऐसी वैसी आपने फेंक रखी है और जब आपको नीड हो वो आपको चीज मिलती नहीं है, इसलिए आपको प्रॉपर प्लेस पे रखनी है. और अगर आप फैला के भी रखोगे ना तो हो सकता है कोई स्लिप कर जाए, गिर जाए. राइट? So this is all in this chapter. Now let's move to the exercise. First is tick the correct option. Kacha houses are made up of mud, straw, या both A and B, both A and B. A bright and clean house looks bad, good, both A and B, good. Dash houses are good for health for the people. तो कैसे house? Clean house. Garbage must be collected in. Garbage आपको कैसे डस्टबिन में कलेक्ट करना है? Covered dustbin. The disease spread by mosquito. कौन सी डिजीज होती है? मैंने अभी आपको पढ़ाया, that is malaria. Now fill in the blanks. Window grill is made up of iron. Malaria is a disease spread by mosquito. The staircase have dash to stop people from fall. क्या होनी चाहिए? रेलिंग होनी चाहिए. Bathroom must be kept clean and tidy. Drains carrying dash water must be covered. Dirty water. Now write T for true and F for false statement. The insects that makes us ill, like dark, warm and damp places. It's true. Garbage must be cleaned every day. Garbage must be cleaned every day. Dustbin. It's true. The house protects us from heat, cold and rain. It's true. Mosquitoes lay their egg in drains and dirty pools of water. It's true. If things lie on the floor, people can slip and fall. Now answer the following question at very next topic. Why do we need house? We need house because house protect us from heat, cold and rain. Why some doors, windows and balconies have grills? So that you may not fall down. What kind of places do insects like? Dark, warm and damp places. Why should a house have big windows? So that a heat, a proper light, sunlight and a proper air may come out in your house. Why should people collect garbage in the covered dustbin? Because the mosquitoes do not breed there. Right? Hope you understood. This is all in this chapter. Now we will meet in the next class. Thank you.